Hi everyone, I've got a Mitsubishi Outlander. This one here has got an issue with the fuse for the cigarette lighter. I've already taken the glove compartment off, not taken it off completely, but just kind of removed the lugs and everything. Now that's the fuse that needs replacing. It's the 15 amp, and if you go into the manual book, right, that's the manual book there. So if you see right, just give me 1 second. Right there, number 23 right at the bottom, which is this one here, number 23, that's for the cigarette lighter. Now that's the fuse we need to replace. I've already got the fuse. It's a 15 amp fuse, so I'm going to replace it. Now to replace it, what I'll do, I'll slot it in. Got the fuse slot in, and then I'm just going to check, see, I'll put that in there as well just to make sure it's working. Now switch the ignition on. As you can see, the light just turned on as well, so that's working now. The cigarette light is working now, so you don't have to worry about not charging your phone or anything like that now. Now to remove it, it's quite a simple job. On the side here, you got this little lug here, so this sort of clips in, right? To undo it, you push and then pull the clip out. That's it. That's out the way now. Now on the inside here, so if you push that forward and then at the same time you push this out as well, that's it. That's all you got to do on your one to remove it. If you want to remove it completely, what you want to do is just pull the glove compartment out completely and it will just pop out, and these are the little lugs here that sort of slots into. Any more information, please do let us know and we'll try to help you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.